And finally, a tour of my outside kitchen. It's called the outside kitchen. In other countries, it's called the dirty kitchen. Other places, it's called the butler's kitchen. In the rural village, we call it the kitchen. It's usually just the only kitchen around, and it's usually detached from the main house, and you use firewood. So this is my outside kitchen. We start outside and we have a sink where you can wash your hands and you can rinse dishes, or you can do anything without having to enter the kitchen. Also, this is our outside sink, which is outside the kitchen. There, we walk inside the kitchen. We're going to see what is inside our outside kitchen. This is our kitchen where we use firewood to cook. And so we go in, and it's a little place. It's not very big. And as you enter, you see straight away the cooking stove. So this is where we cook our food, and we use firewood. You can see we have already the firewood waiting down there that we've already chopped into small pieces, and we only need to put it in those two holes and we can cook our food. So we are able to cook two pots at the same time. It's very nice and very convenient. No smoke comes to the other side. It all goes up the chimney. We usually use 1 or 2 pieces of firewood and you can cook. And here are our cooking pots that we use to cook on our cooking stove. And we have a little working table and a cupboard where we can store our dishes. So there we have our dishes and what we need. And here we have a socket, which is very special because it's in an international socket. So you can plug in anything from all over the world, which is very convenient in case you have your telephone or a radio or other machines that you have bought abroad and you want to use them. So you don't have to have adapters with you. You just plug it in and that's it. And then we have a door that goes to a store that we keep our food and other things. So it's more like a little food store, and that's where we have other things that we don't need. And here we have the kitchen sink, the kitchen sink. So this is the kitchen sink where you can wash your dishes. And down here you can also put a dustbin, and we're going to put a little shelf so that we can put a few things down there. So this is our kitchen sink that is in 2 sinks for rinsing and for washing. We are also able to have hot water on the tap, and that's how it looks. So we are looking at our outside kitchen, or rather our kitchen, because this is what we have as a kitchen in the rural village in Kenya. And we use only firewood to cook our food. And in case we want to use anything else, then we have other kitchens that we can use electricity or gas. We are also planning to put a gas cooker on the side so that when we want to cook something quick, like, to boil water or some tea, then we can use the kettle or we can use the cooker. And so here we go outside and go around our kitchen just to see how it looks on the outside. And we take a walk around the kitchen so that we can see how we have also done it outside. So this is the way the little kitchen looks like. It's a little house, like you can see, very nice and very well built. And we like it and we love using it a lot. So here we walk around on the outside, and we have put some concrete on the foundation just to stop the water from destroying the foundation. We usually have to do that. And we planted a little fence that we're going to trim and form into a little nice fence. We have this grass that we have grown mostly to stop the water, but also so that you can sit there and just chill, so that you're able to actually just sit outside on the backside and just relax. And beside you, we have sugar cane that you're able to just cut and eat. Because we are in the rural village in Kenya, you're not able to go out and buy a lot of snacks here in the village, and therefore we have these like snacks. You just cut one and you chew it, and it's as good as any snack from the shop, and it's very natural and nice. And there are huge avocado trees. These are natural avocado trees that are very tall and very huge, and they have very tasty and huge avocados. We are not able to climb there and pick them, so usually they fall down, and you'll find lots of them on the floor, and you can just wake up every morning and pick them and eat them up. With your sugar cane, you're well to go. So this is how a kitchen looks in the rural village in Kenya. This is an outside kitchen where you use firewood to cook. And like I say, food cooked on firewood is healthier and tastier than any other food, and therefore it's a very economical and good way to cook. Again, we don't buy the firewood because we have our own wood that we get from our own farm.